for round 4, the Spring Nationals here in Utah Motorsports Campus. Definitely our car has been very well in the shifter in turn 1 this weekend, the braking stability, all of that. I mean, it's quite visual, to be honest, to see. And I feel like we have a very good strength in turn 1, over the curb in the chicane as well. Very good center grip, and I feel like that's been something AJ has been really liking with the chassis. So as long as we keep that up, focus on the tire, where for the final we should be in a good spot.
So far, we have achieved better carburation. The drivers like it for their stability of the car and for maximizing performance. Every single horsepower make a big difference between these guys. They're so close to each other. Whoever has this slight edge through engine power will probably lead. But then again, this track is about tire management.
Overall, it was a good start to the day. Qualified just outside the top 10, but we definitely have the pace to finish in the top 10. I think the key compared to yesterday, it's all about the start, so I think it's time to bring the heat.
I positioned myself wrong on track, so I ended out 19th, and I definitely had way more pace in me, but now I have a pre-final and final to work at it.
We made a couple changes overnight. They felt good today. Just got done with qualifying and ended up P3 again. I made a mistake on the lap, so I feel like I can make that up in the pre-final, and I think it's feeling good. I think we'll be in good shape.
I was fighting in the midfield for the scraps until my last lap, until I had a banger and was P4.
You are your own worst enemy, okay? Stop thinking about these other people, think about yourself. How to get yourself up there, okay? It's only a matter of what you tell yourself, what you're capable of, all right? What are you capable of right now? A top 5, a podium, right? All of that, okay? But only way you're gonna do is by racing this pretty smart from beginning to end, hitting every apex, no looking back, on power early, no overdriving. Okay? No mistakes, okay? 25 mistakes in 10 laps, it's unacceptable. Understand? One mistake in 10 laps, that's more like it. That's how we win a race. Okay?
Like 1 or 2 at most.
But just focus on making none.
My engine was not that great, and I fell down a lot of places. So I finished 16th in the final, all in all. And yeah, if I had a better motor, that could have been a lot better.
Nice job, dude.
I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty worried halfway through.
Yeah, I was worried too. I was trying to...
Sorry, I know you're. My child.
It was coming to the winner for your shifters of AJ Myers. Jenna?
Thanks, Caleb. It feels like redemption, doesn't it?
It really does. I mean, everyone knows it was a rough day yesterday. Things happen. Me and mine were good today. We drove clean, and it was a really tough race out there.
Yeah, definitely got nervous after the second half, so they were catching up to you. How'd you hold them off?
Yeah, I feel like I managed the gap early on. I had a good second gap, and then I feel like dirt started flying. I fell off my pace. I made some mistakes. They're on my bumper. I knew if I made one mistake, they were going, and I got it done in the end. I'm happy, really happy.
So we saw the dust tornadoes coming through. Did you get that in your suit? Like, can you feel those? Does it affect your vision at all?
I definitely noticed on track when I saw banners flying and dirt in the air. I knew to be careful. Every time I went to the corner, so I was high. It was tough to expect what was going to come next.
Yeah. Eventful race. Great job holding them off. Who do you want to thank this weekend?
Oh man, there's so many people. Magik Kart USA, Fast Drive Engines, SRP Engines. My dad on the carburetor, my mechanic Thomas, Andrew for telling me I drive like shit. And yeah, they all helped me to get here.
Thanks so much, AJ. Good job.
You're welcome.
Back to you guys.
Thank you. You're welcome. Wrapped up day 2 here in Utah. Went it up in the best way possible. We got the victory in the end. I was really nervous about halfway through the race. The gap closed and they were on me the whole way through. I knew if I made any mistakes, I was most likely going to get past, but we held on and the team put together a great package and went it up the best way. I'm really excited for us. Thank you everyone for all the hard work. We earned this one, boys. Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Magic.
And your winner is PSL Karting Pro Shifter, AJ Myers!
I got you, Kyle. I'm not going to be hanging.
Pro Shifter name, harassment Sunday, boys, trophies up above your head. Give it up for your Pro Shifter podium!